In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom backgrounds here in Google Slides with the use of Gemini. So if you want to create a custom or a unique background that you want to use for your presentations, here's how you can do it. So this video is part of my Gemini series where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Slides. Now, if you're interested in the full playlist, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Going back to our video, I have this example presentation right here where I have a white plain background. Now, if I wanted to add something interesting to use as a background, I'm going to use Gemini right here, and that's going to be with our Nano Banana. So with our Nano Banana, we can create slide images, and infographics. With our image, if I click on this one here in the middle, we can actually change the aspect ratio into landscape, which would perfectly fit our slide size right here. And of course, with the style, you can choose whichever style you want, again, depending on what kind of background you want to create. So again, this is a custom or a unique background. It's totally up to you on what type of background you want to use. In this example, I have a presentation about fighting procrastination. So what I want is a minimalistic type of background with neutral colors and maybe a few elements here and there. Now, if you already have something in mind, you just gotta have to be specific. The first part in creating your prompts for your background image would be the subject. So this is a background image, then your style. Now, if your style is found right here, then you can definitely just select it. If not, then you can specify it again with your prompt. Next, if you have a color scheme throughout your presentation, you can also include that with your prompt. With a layout, if there are some elements on that background that you want to create, you also have to include them. And last but not the least is to also include the ones that you don't want within your background. So with your images, you have to include your subject, your style, your colors, your layouts, and your restrictions. So I already have my prompt ready. Here we have it. It's quite long and it's very specific. So again, I have the subject, which is a background. Then we have the colors. We also have the style, the layout for some of the elements like the clock or a loading bar stuck at 20% and a half-checked to-do list. And with that layout, they are slightly faded off from the center to suggest a delay and avoidance. So the overall mood would be calm, slow, and deceptively comfortable. So that's a prompt that I've done to create this background image for this specific presentation. So again, it totally depends on what you're trying to create. But don't forget the subject, the style, colors, layout, and restrictions when creating your prompt for that background image. And once you're done, just press on enter or click on create right here. And let's just wait what Gemini creates for us based on a prompt that we have given it. And here we have it. So if we want to preview, all we have to do is to click on it. And I think that is perfect. That is exactly what I'm looking for. If I want to use it as a background for my slides, I'm just going to quickly insert. There you go. And to quickly turn this into a background for my slide, I'm just going to right click, then select set image as background. And there you have it. We were able to create a custom and unique background for presentations right here in Google Slides. If I want to quickly add that as a background to all of my slides, I'm just going to quickly detach that image. There you go. I'm going to copy it. Go to View in the menu bar, select Theme Builder. Go to the master slide at the top. Then just quickly paste it. After that, I'm just going to right click and set it as an image background. And with that, we were able to apply a background to all of our slides in our presentation. Close that off, and here we have it. Delete that, and we were able to apply the same background to all of our slides in our presentation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.